Creating a backup image using Windows built-in backup. It's not the backup I would choose, but it's the backup you have, and any backup is better than no backup at all. Creating a backup image using Windows built-in backup. I don't think much of the Windows backup utility, but any backup is better than no backup. Let's look at how to use it. I'm Leo Notenboom. This is askleo.com. Thank you to the patrons of Askleo for making this possible. askleo.com/patron for more information. It's no secret that I'm not a fan of the backup software built into Windows. To my thinking, it's too obscure, too inflexible, and doesn't do a good job telling you what's going on. It does, however, have a couple of strong positive attributes. It's free, and it's already on your machine. And it'll do what I consider to be the bare minimum. Since the bare minimum is much, much better than nothing, let's create an image backup or system image using Windows Backup. Windows Image Backup. The instructions and example below all use Windows 10, but the backup program has been the same since Windows 7. In Windows 10, click on the Start button and start typing Backup. One of the first search results should be Backup Settings. Click on Backup Settings to open the Settings app. Click on Go to Backup and Restore Windows 7. This will open Control Panel on the old Backup and Restore tool. If you're running Windows 7, you can find this directly in Control Panel. Creating an image backup. Click on the Create a System Image link on the left. You'll be asked where you want to place the backup. I strongly recommend using an external hard disk with plenty of free space. DVDs tend to be impractical since so many would be required. Network locations are an option, but beyond the scope of this article. Once you've selected the external hard drive to use, click Next. You'll be presented with a summary of what's about to take place. Click on Start Backup. The backup will take some time. How much time I can't say, since it depends on the speed of your system, the speed of your hard disks, and how much data is being backed up. You can continue to use your system while the backup proceeds if you like. Eventually, the backup completes. When it completes, you'll be asked if you want to create a system repair disk. A system repair disk is used to restore system images to your computer, particularly if your computer can't boot normally. If you have your original Windows installation media, you don't need a system repair disk. I cover creating one, as well as restoring your image in separate articles. For now, congratulations! You have a system image backup. For links related to this article or to leave a comment, visit askleo.com/28186. I'm Leo Notenboom. This is askleo.com. Thanks for watching.